Hello, I am Aishwarya S. from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, MIT Mysore. I have completed my internship program with Ranshaw Technologies Private Limited from 5th July 2019 till 30th July 2019 under the guidance of Mr. Deepak M.H. I gained the knowledge about the technologies which Ranshaw is working and work environment in the IT industries. These are the contents which are included in the slides. So when it comes to the introduction part, firstly I will tell you about the platform in which we have worked. Basically, we worked on the Android Studio. Android is an open source and Linux-based operating system for smartphones and tablets. Android Eclipse is a platform that has been designed from ground up for building integrated web and application development tool. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system built on JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA software, and it is designed specially for Android development. These are the various versions of the Android. Company overview. Ranshaw Technologies Private Limited is a multifaceted and fast-growing IT services company in Mandya. It is established in January 2018 and headquartered in Mandya with other locations in Mysore and Bangalore. Ranshaw Technology offers high-quality and professional IT solutions and services to meet the evolving needs of businesses across the globe. They deliver innovative web solutions and Android development to clients by helping them identify their most important business and technology opportunities and capitalizing on them. They also provide solutions to help them overcome their most complex and critical challenges. These are the services provided by the Ranshaw Technologies, business and m-commerce, publishing the application, media intensive application, hospitality application, retail application, education application, social networking service applications. These are the applications developed by the Ranshaw Technologies Private Limited. Background work. Android includes two types of files, namely XML file and Java file. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. XML is a very popular format and commonly used for sharing data on the internet. Android applications use the XML to create layout files. Unlike the HTML, XML is case sensitive, requires each tag to be closed, and preserves white spaces. Next one is Java file. Android R.Java is an auto-generated file by Android Asset Packaging tool that contains resource IDs for all the resources of resource/directory. If you create any component in the activity_main.xml file, ID for the corresponding component is automatically created in this file. The next one is Android SDK. Android Software Development Kit is a set of development tools used to develop applications for Android platform. The Android SDK includes the following. One is a required libraries, relevant documentation for the Android application program interfaces, and the sample source code. Eclipse is a platform that has been designed from the ground up for building integrated web and application development tooling. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Android application development. Methodology. Basic concepts involved here are: one is Android Manifest. This provides information about the application, information about the system must have before it runs. Next one is Layout. It defines the visual structure for user interface for an application widget. Next is resource. Resources are used for anything from defining colors, images, layouts, menus, string values. Next one is intent. It is a simple message object that is used to communicate between the Android components such as activities. It transfers data between the activities. And the last one is Gradle. It is a custom built tool used to build the Android packages, that is APK files. So coming to the implementation part, the main object which we have worked as a team of three is we had developed an Android application, that is a job portal application. Job portal is a web-based application which helps the end user to find a job with searching criteria like preferred skill, location, and work profile. It is also helpful to post the job and search the candidate based on the job seeker profile. Here, the employers can connect with the job seekers, and it is developed in order to reduce the gap between the industry and industry needed resources. Here, one can post his or her requirements on this app. After the implementation of the required code, this is the result of our application. These are the various pages included in our applications. So we have developed a number of steps to post or view the job. This first one is a register account. This page shows the registration page for new users. Only the registered users can post or view the jobs. The next page is login page. This is the login page for registered users. The users can log in with their email ID and password. This entered details will be compared with the details stored in the Firebase. The next is home page. It contains post job, view all jobs, and logout buttons to perform their respective actions. The users who successfully log in will be directed to this page. View job posts. This page contains jobs posted by all the users. User can select a job of interest by clicking on it. Post job. This page denotes a set of actions required for the employer to post a job vacancy. When the employer clicks post job button, the job will be listed in all job post page and post job page. Advantages. The main advantage is that organizations can find the candidate with the desired qualification. That is, the organization can find the right candidate with the desired qualifications to fill the current job openings. That is an important task for the recruiters of any organization. Next one is easy and convenient search application for the job seekers. Job portal is the solutions where recruiters as well as the job seekers meet, aiming at fulfilling their individual requirements. So they can get to know the availabilities. Job seekers can register with the application and update their details and skill set. They can search for available jobs and apply to the desired position. So when it comes to the conclusion, job search portal stands for a revolutionizing element in the sphere of requirement. They act as a communication bridge between the applicants and the recruiters, facilitating their requirements. This application helps the organization to have a greater exposure to the candidate pool and also job seekers, facilitating wide search of job matching their interests. The Android application provides flexibility to the job seekers to view the openings and apply jobs without the need to carry a laptop. This application provides an enhanced user experience for both employer and job seekers. It provides user-friendly interface which facilitates in reaching wide range of audience. The application has achieved all the requirements that were initially set in the requirements gathering phase. This project taught some best practices in the technology stack like Android development, Java coding, starting from the requirement elicitation to design, construction, implementation, and testing. These are the references which we had gone through. Thank you.